welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be talking about this new palette from Maybelline New York called Lemonade Craze, and I seriously love it. I got informed about it thanks to my friend Patty. Hey girl, how are you? Thank you, by the way. Anyways, I finally received my palette. I ordered it about a month ago in Amazon. I paid $10.99 plus shipping, which I don't quite remember. Probably was like 12 bucks or 13 bucks, I can't remember. And they're also selling it at Ulta for $13.99 plus shipping, but you know how Ulta is when you buy a certain amount, like 50 or 60 bucks, whatever they have there going on, then it will be free shipping. So yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about this palette. This palette is just beautiful. It's a combination between matte shades and shimmer shades. For some reason, since it is a drugstore palette, I thought that the pigmentation wasn't really going to be there, because that's the problem that I had in the past with drugstore palettes. It's just their pigmentation is not strong enough for my liking. And with this palette, I feel like the pigmentation is there. There is a lot of variations, guys. This hurts, especially when I'm trying to swallow like my own saliva. I know that sounds gross, whatever, but we all do it. Oh my god, it just hurts so much. Whew. Anyways, okay, back to this palette. What was I saying? I don't know what I was saying. I completely lost my train of thought. In this palette, the pigmentation is definitely there, but I highly recommend that you build up the color so you can have the full pigmentation that you see here, like the actual color that you're seeing here. You're definitely gonna have to build it up so you can get that same color that you see in here in the palette. And when it comes to the shimmer shades, I highly recommend that you use Prep and Prime if you want to intensify and get the same exact sorry, color that you see in this palette. Really have nothing negative to say about this palette. I love how my eye look came out. I feel like the colors that I used were very simple to combine one with the other. Don't see any passiness. Another thing that I love about this palette is all the names of the eyeshadows are right here under the eyeshadows. To me, that it's a plus. I love the packaging. It has a really good size that you can definitely take it anywhere. What else? Oh, it shows here in the back like different looks that you can create, and it shows you like the number, like it says look 1, look 2, and look 3. Look 1, it says Lemonade Pop, and then it gives you like the number. It gives you a number, and then you kind of like just mix those colors that they're telling you, and you can create a look. This palette is amazing and I highly recommend for anyone. So I'm going to start by putting some primer in my lid, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer. So I'm going to get the color Sherbet, which is this one right here, and I'm going to be putting it all over as my base. So I'm going to be getting this beautiful gel right here called Lemonade Craze. I'm going to be getting the color Sweet Tea. Once again, I'm going to get this color right here, Lemonade Craze, and I'll be putting it in my bottom lash because I want that jello to be a little bit more intensified. And I'm going to be getting the color Main Squeeze, so this one right here. I think my look is good enough. I just wanted to focus mainly in Lemonade Craze, that beautiful jello color, and I also wanted to use some of the browns. I'm going to use the Bad Girl Band mascara from Benefit. Amazing for bottom lashes. Look at the difference, you guys. I'm going to put a little bit of blush on, and this is from Flower Pot. It says Flower Powder PB2 Peach Prime Rose. So I'm guessing the color is Peach Prime Rose. And for the lips, I recently bought this from Ulta Beauty. It says New Nudes Duo Ended Lip Kit, and it brings six colors. So what do you guys think about this look? forgot to do the swatch. Okay, so sherbet, berry ice, sunny, main squeeze, strawberry lemonade, lemonade craze, ice pop, coral punch, old fashioned, sugar coated. Ooh, sugar coated is very creamy actually. Sweet tea, and I'm mixing citrus. Citrus also very pigmented. Just wanted to say that never underestimate anything in life, because I underestimated this palette, and it's actually a beautiful palette, and the pigmentation is there and it works beautiful. So never underestimate anything. So anyways, you guys, I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me, you guys. Have a beautiful day, night, wherever you are, and Lulu is snoring. Yep. And till the next one, guys. Ciao. Mwah.